So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on system, and then we're going to click on sound. Then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and click on more sound settings. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the recording tab, and then you want to find your microphone. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the listen tab, and then you want to check listen to this device. Now we're going to check if your microphone buzzing is because of your headset itself, which is a hardware problem, or if it's the application that you're using, which is causing your headset to have a buzzing sound. So now under playback through this device, you want to select your default playback device, or you can select your speakers. If you can still hear buzzing, then that means that it's a problem with your headset itself. But if you don't hear buzzing, then it might just be the software that you're using. You can head over to the advanced tab, and then you can play around with this. And then you can go back to listen, and then see if that fixes the problem for you. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the latest drivers for your device have been installed. If your speakers or your microphone comes with a software like my one does, I'm using a Logitech G432 headset, and I have Logitech G Hub installed, which is the software that comes with it. You want to click on your headset, and then you want to click on settings, and then make sure that the firmware is up to date. Now for the last method, you want to test out your microphone with a different software. I recommend Discord. So once you're on Discord, you want to head over to settings, and then click on voice and video, and then click on let's check. And if you can still hear buzzing, then your headset's probably broken, so you should probably just get a new one.